guys, we're going to be doing it in F. And F, this is your major scale for F. So if your chord there, we're going to work in with Do, So, Do. This is your Do. This is your Fa. So in that last video we played, we work with an intro, guys. What we played there is your do, re, mi, fa, so. Then do, re, mi, fa, so. Then you come up with a play up. After doing that, you come up with a play up. Like this is your second inversion of your do. We're using it. Then you say so do mi, fa la re, so ti re, fa la re. So do mi, fa la re, so ti re, fa la. So after playing that groove, you go to another one again. I'll give you another line. That one is you are working with your La, Fa, or So, Fa. Your La, Fa, So, Fa. We'll replace the La with a Do chord. We'll replace it. So it's like this. Spice it up. So what's there is La, ti, do, ti. So what's there is your La, ti, do, ti, do. La, ti, do, La, Fa, La. Then your So, La, ti, do, Fa, La. La, ti, do, La, ti, la, Fa, La. So, La, ti, la, so, Fa, La. Then in your left hand you are holding your chord, your La. Now I'm going to be teaching you the pitch bend with the pitch bend. Just listen. Your fingering, you just put your hand in your first version. That's your mi, so, do. What is there is just mi, so, do, ti, la, so, fa, la. I'm using your fa, la, re to spice it up. I'm not using your fa, la, do. I'm using your fa, la, re, then with the pitch bend. There's the re, the re. Just see.